In today's tutorial, I am going to walk you through exactly how to export specific data and perform a complete system-wide data backup in Zoho Books. Whether you are migrating to another platform, conducting an audit, or just want to keep a secure offline copy of your business records, knowing how to manage your data export is a critical skill for every accountant and business owner. Before we dive into the steps, if you find this guide helpful for your bookkeeping tasks, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho tips. First, let's look at how to export specific modules like invoices, expenses, or items. Start by navigating to the specific module located on the left sidebar. For example, if you need to pull your sales data, click on Sales and then select Invoices. Once you're reviewing your invoice list, look for the hamburger icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines, found in the top right corner of your screen. Click that icon and select Export Invoices from the drop-down menu. Now you will see a configuration window. Here, you need to choose your preferred file format under the Export File As section, where you can select CSV, XLS, or XLSX, depending on your spreadsheet software requirements. Once you've made your choice, click the Export button and your file will be generated for download. Next, let's cover the full data backup process, which creates a massive, secure zip file containing every single record from your organization. To do this, click the gear icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard to enter your settings. Look for the far right column labeled Developer Data and click on the Data Backup link. This will open the Backup Manager, where you can click the Backup Now button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Take Backup to start the process. Since full backups can be large, Zoho will securely process the file and send an email notification as soon as it is ready. Once you receive that email, simply return to this exact screen and click the Download link to store your data safely. It is a best practice to run these backups periodically to ensure you don't lose any important financial history. If you manage to export your data without any issues, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more software tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.